Now, so what does it say in the set? That there is a kingdom in which there are three kind of people. The first one we called no threes, second one is no fives, and third one is no sevens. Now the people who are no three, they do not tell the multiple of three. People of no five do not speak the multiple of five. They skip it. All right. So what is happening? Let us understand a small scenario. That let us say the number of mangoes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Let's say these are the real mangoes, right? If these are the real mangoes, what are the mangoes represent told by no three? One, two. For three, he will call it four. For four, he will call it five. For five, he will not call it six. He will call it seven. Right. For this, he will call it eight. For this, he will call it 10. Are you getting this part? Yes or no? That he will skip all the multiples of 3. Right? He will skip all the multiples of 3. All right. Now, if you look at it in this way, let us say if the number of mangoes reported by this person is 10, if the number of mangoes reported by this person is 10, then what are the actual number of mangoes? Can I say since he is skipping every multiple of 3, which means he has approximately skipped up 3 multiples, right? 3 point something. Let's reject the decimal part, which means the original mangoes are 7, right? Similarly, if the mangoes reported are 5, then how much he has skipped? He has skipped 5 by 3, which means 1.66. Let's remove the decimal part. The original number of mangoes are 4. Similarly, if now after 10 it will be 11, 12, so 13, 14, 15 छोड़ के 16, 17, 18 छोड़ के 19, 20 छोड़ के 20, 21, 22. If the original numbers are 22, sorry, if the number of mangoes reported are 22, then the original number must be 22 minus 22 by 3, 7.33. Removing it, the number of mangoes are 15. Is this part clear? Yes or no? Up to this part, is this clear? Yes or no? All right. Just give me a second. Now, when I talk about no 5 will work in the similar manner. No, no, we cannot make it in reverse because we are not counting in the decimal parts, right? So we cannot go there. We will always have an approximate number, but we cannot do it in reverse. We will always have an approximate number, right? Now, when a no 5 is reporting 185 multiples, 185, right? If there are 185 in the pile, what is the number reported by no 5? Can I say no 5 will encounter how many multiples of 5? He will encounter 37 multiples of 5, right? He will encounter 5, he will encounter 10, he will encounter 15, and so on. He will skip them. So let us say he is going 37 forward. He is going 37 forward. But can I say when he is going 37 forwards, in those 37 number ahead of 5, he will again be encountering 7 multiples? Yes or no? Is this point clear? That when I am skipping those multiples and I am actually going ahead of 185, I am again be encountering 190, 195, 200, 205. Yes or no? Is that part clear? Right. So basically, he will have to count 7 more. He will have to count 7 more. When he will be counting these 7 mores, can I say he will again encounter one multiple? Right? He will again encounter one multiple on the 7. Yes or no? Right? So he will actually have to count one more. So where will he reach? After this 187, 185 plus 45, he will reach 230. Right? He will reach a number 230. But can he speak 230? Can he say 230? It is a no 5 number. Can he say 230? No, which means he will have to skip the next. He will have to speak the next number, that is 231. He will have to speak the next number, that is 231. That is the required answer. Is this clear? Yes or no? All right. All right. यार क्योंकि देखो बेसिकली मैं क्या कर रहा हूं ना, राहुल मेरी बात समझो, मैं 37 नंबर आगे गया, 185 के बाद मैं 37 नंबर आगे गया, मैं कहां पहुंच गया, 37 नंबर जब मैं आगे गया तो कहां पहुंच गया, 7 और 5 12, 222 पे पहुंच गया। उसके बाद मुझे 7 नंबर और आगे जाना है, 23 पे गया, 24 पे गया, 25 आ गया। 25 भी तो नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, क्योंकि इन 7 नंबर में भी तो एक मल्टीपल आएगा ना, हर 5 के बाद एक मल्टीपल आएगा। उस तरह करते करते मैं 230 पे पहुंच गया, लेकिन वो खुद मल्टीपल आ गया, तो फिर एक और आगे चला गया। अप टू दिस पार्ट इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? ऑलराइट, now let's discuss the next part. On counting the pile of mangoes, the number reported by a no 3 was 5 more than the number reported by no 5. No 3 and no 5. The number reported by him was 5 more. So if he is reporting x, he is reporting x minus 5. Right. Now what is the actual number in this case? Actual number in this case will be approximately x minus x by 3. X minus x by 3, removing the integral part, right? We derived it in the first go, right? Similarly, in this case, the original number would be whatever the number is minus x minus 5 by 5. In this case, as I was skipping every third number, I divided by 3. In this case, I was skipping every 5 numbers, so I divided by 5. Up to this step, is it clear? Yes or no? Up to this step, is it clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, can I say that the actual number of mangoes will be same for both? Right? Actual number of mangoes should be same for both, which means the approximate value of actual numbers would be x minus x by 3 is equal to x minus 5 minus x minus 5 by 5. Right? Solve it and tell me the value of x. Solve it and tell me the value of x. Quickly solve it. Ishita, I said that, see, the actual number, see, I told you na, that when, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, when these were the original actual mangoes, the mangoes reported by no 3 was what? 1, 2, he will not speak 3, he will speak 4, 5, he will not speak 6, he will speak 7, 8, he will not speak 9, he will speak 10, 11. So in this case, the number of original mangoes are what? 11 minus 11 by 3, that is 8. In this case, 10 minus 10 by 3, that is 7, removing the decimal parts, right? So in this case, when the third multiple is skipped, x minus x by 3, when the fifth multiple is skipped, x minus 5 minus x minus 5 by 5, right? Since the actual number of mangoes are same, therefore I can equate them. This is giving me the value of x as 30. Beta, because no 5 skips every fifth number. No 5 hai na? What was the property of no 5? No 5 skips every fifth multiple, like no 3 was skipping every third multiple. X तो हमने इसका माना, हमें दिया हुआ है that number reported by a no 3 was 5 more than the number reported by a 95. क्योंकि जो नंबर no 5 ने रिपोर्ट किया वो 5 कम था ना। क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ ले, मैं लगाऊंगा आके, राइट? So x minus 30 is the, x is equal to 30 is the number reported. But tell me one thing, can no 3 report a number 30? क्या no 3 number 30 report कर सकता है? No, right? Basically this cannot be the number. So this is giving me the approximate value. Now I will have to think reported, actual, reported. All right. Now let us think of some values. Let us say I will have to check across the values of 30. मेरे को 30 के आसपास वाली values check करनी पड़ेगी. Let us say the reported number is 31. If the reported number is 31, then for no 3, if the reported number is 31 by no 3, here x is the reported number, right? X is the reported number. X minus x by 3 is the actual number. Similarly, x minus 5 is the reported number. X minus 5 minus x minus 5 by 5 is the actual number. बेटा x को हमने रिपोर्टेड माना था ना स्टार्टिंग में, इसका x और इसका x minus 5. उसके बाद मैंने कहा था x minus x by 3 क्या होगा, एक्चुअल होगा. सिमिलरली ये एक्चुअल होगा. क्या पढ़ रहे हो, कहां पे ध्यान है बेटा? X is a reported number. So if 31 is a reported number, what is the actual number, anyone? For no 3, what is the actual number? 31 minus 31 by 3. So that is 21. Okay, very good. Okay, so when he is reporting 31, what number is no 5 reporting? 5 less. So he is reporting 26. What is the actual number for him? 26 minus 5, 21 by 5. What is the actual number for him? Will it be 26? Sorry, will it be 21? I will remove 5 multiples. यार देखो हम 5 मल्टीपल आगे गए हैं. We are moving 5 numbers ahead approximately, right? When I am speaking of 26 numbers, 26 by 5, he has approximately skipped up 5 multiples. Let me show you a small example. Let us say these are the actual numbers. Then the numbers reported by 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 छोड़ के 26 and then 27. राइट हमें लॉजिक सोचना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. दिस इज गिविंग मी एन अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस. इज दिस क्लियर? परफेक्ट. 31 में 31 by 3 लगभग 10 वैल्यूज रिपोर्ट हुई थी. इसमें लगभग 5 वैल्यूज स्किप होंगी, राइट? सी आपको इसमें से फर्दर 5 नहीं माइनस करना बेटा. अगर आप 22 कैसे बोल रहे हो, आप 26 में से 5 माइनस कर रहे हो, उसको 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो. 26 x minus 5 की वैल्यू 26 है. रिमेंबर दिस. द मिस्टेक दैट यू आर मेकिंग, यू आर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग x as 26 here, but remember that complete x minus 5 is equivalent to 26. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? So the number is 26 minus 26 by 5 basically. You are substituting x as 25 and getting 22, right? So the number reported here is 21 again. Okay, now when he will report 32 minus, very good Mahima, 32 minus 32 by 3, 32 minus 10, 22. Very good, right? So very good to me. All right, Prashant, first of all, change your settings to all panelists attendees. If anyone has to ask any doubt, change your settings to all panelists and attendees. Otherwise, I will not be addressing. People don't know who I am talking to, right? See, my basic criteria is to check whether the actual number is same for both or not. That is why I have taken 31. I will take 32 also. I will take 33 also. I will keep on taking the numbers until where I am getting the same actual value, right? Because the actual value has to be same at the difference of 5 reported values. So when I am taking 32 for him, the value is 27 for him. So the actual value comes out to be 32 minus 32 by 3, 22. 27 minus 27 by 5, again 22. So this can also be reported value. Are you getting my point? That this can also be reported value, this can also be reported value. Why? Because in both the cases, the actual number are same. All right. Yes or no? Okay. Now, can no 3 report a 33? Can no 3 report a 33? No. Right? Because it is a multiple of 3. Then next number he will report is 34. 34 minus 34 by 3, that is 11. So the actual number will be 23. The actual number will be 23. In this case, what is the number he will be reporting? 5 less, that is 29. And what will be the actual number in this case? What will be the actual number in this case? 24. Here, here there is a trouble, which means any number after this will not give me the same result. Any number after this will not give me the same result. Are you clear on this? Yes or no? Now, right now, I was increasing the values than 30. After this, I will decrease the values from 30. Let us take 29 because I have to think of the possible values, right? Though my answer is maximum number of mangoes, maximum number is 22. That is my answer. But let me also think that what are the possible values. So if he is reporting 29, this person must be reporting how much? He is reporting 5 more. So he must be reporting 24. So what is the actual in this class? What is the actual in this way? 29 minus 29 by 3. बोलो बोलो कितना है बच्चा? 20. Perfect. So when he is reporting 24, what is the actual in this case? Kaluri, you have reported a number 35, but remember, the other person cannot report a multiple of 35. We will have a friction over there. He will speak of 36. All right. अरे पैटर्न से भी कर सकते हैं, पर जब इक्वेशन बनाने में शाश्वत 1 मिनट लगेगा तो खत्म नहीं हो जाएगा मेरा क्वेश्चन बेटा. ये तो मैं तुम्हें समझा रहा हूँ ना. एक बार जब तुमने लॉजिक क्लिक कर लिया तो उसके बाद तो खत्म ही है क्वेश्चन. 20 आस्था बच्चा 29 माइनस 29 बाय देखो 29 जब था तो एक्चुअल नंबर क्या आएगा? 29 माइनस 29 बाय 3, 9 पॉइंट समथिंग. इग्नोरिंग द डेसिमल पार्ट, 29 माइनस 9 20. ये 24 है रिपोर्टेड. 24 माइनस 24 बाय 5, 4 पॉइंट समथिंग. द नंबर इज 20. ऑलराइट. Okay. At 28, what will be the reported number? Obviously, it will be one less, right? 28, what is the reported number? 19. Okay. So in that case, he will be reporting 23. At 23, what will be the reported number? 19 again. Very well. Can this person report 27? Can this person report 27? No. Right? Multiple of 3. Next, he will report is 26. At 26, what is the actual value? 18. So in this case, he has to report 21. What is the actual value in this case? 17. Again, panga pad gaya. There is a trouble over here, which means this value is also not allowed. So there are only 4 values that can exist. Those 4 values are 19, 20, 21, and 22. And at that point, the reported values will be these values. Is this clear? The logic clear, everyone? Very well. Now, fatapat, quickly answer the third question. Third question is pretty same. I have solved it. Quickly answer the third one. Is everyone getting the same answer? Is everyone getting 22 as the answer? Is so answer is 22 or 21? Anyone? All right, let us see. I know that the actual number, see, what are the possibilities of actual number? What are the possibilities of actual number? 19, 20, 21, and 22. No 5 and no 7. Okay, what is no 5 reporting in this case? Three multiples are skipped, so he will report 22. Sorry, 4 multiples are skipped. He will speak 23. 23. Sorry, 23. Perfect. 23. What in this case? In 20, what he will speak? 24. In 21, what he will speak? 26. In 22, what he will speak? 27. All right. Okay. What about no 7? At 19, what he will speak? 22. 22 beta 22. 22. At 19, सी देखो जब 19 होगा ना तो वो 7 और 14 स्किप कर चुका होगा, यानी उसको 2 नंबर आगे जाना होगा, यानी 21 पे पहुंचना होगा, बट 21 वो नहीं बोल सकता, तो इसलिए वो 22 बोलेगा। याद रखो इस बात को, समझो लॉजिक को कि 19 के वक्त वो 2 मल्टीपल स्किप कर चुका है, 7 और 14, तो यानी उसको एक्चुअली में नो 7 को 21 बोलना है, बट वो 21 नहीं बोल पाएगा, वो 22 बोलेगा। क्लियर है विपुल? So at this, what he will speak? 23. At this, what he will speak? 24. At this, he will speak 25. Now we are asked, what is the minimum number of mangoes? The difference is 2. What is the minimum number of mangoes? So these are the two cases. The minimum number of mangoes are 21. Is this clear? Yes or no? हाँ शाश्वत बेटा बोल। पिछले से कर लो बेटा, अब उसमें तुम्हें फिर सी पिछले से ही तो मैं बता रहा हूं, पिछले में तो हमने डिराइव किया था ना, दैट ऑन काउंटिंग द नंबर रिपोर्टेड बाय अ नो 3 वाज 5 मोर देन अ नो 5। तो जब मुझे पता लग गया कि एक्चुअल नंबर ये है, तो मैं वापस क्यों पुरानी चीज कनेक्ट करूं? जब मेरे पास पहली कंडीशन सेम है, मुझे इस क्वेश्चन में क्यों बताया गया कि पुरानी कंडीशन सेम है? ताकि मैं पिछला रिजल्ट इसमें यूज करूं। अगर मैं फिर से सब कुछ पुराने तरीके से करूंगा तो क्यों वहां पे मतलब पंगे पाऊंगा? समझ रहे हो मेरी बात को? पहली कंडीशन तो मेरी ये क्लियर होनी चाहिए। मैं डायरेक्टली नो 5 नो 7 से लूंगा, अगर मैं डायरेक्टली 2 का डिफरेंस निकालूंगा तो हो सकता है आगे 2-3 वैल्यूज और आ जाएं, लेकिन मुझे पहली कंडीशन ये सेटिस्फाई करनी है जिससे मुझे ये 4 वैल्यूज मिली हुई हैं। इन 4 वैल्यूज के बेसिस पे मैं डिफरेंस चेक करूंगा, ना कि मैं पहले 2 का डिफरेंस देखूंगा फिर नो 5 पे जाऊंगा। समझ गए? ओके। Now 3 person, each of whom was a different kind of no 3, no 5, no 7. Two of the person reported 44 and 56. So 2 people reported 44 and 56. Okay. What will be the number reported by a third person? Okay. Now this person can be this can be represented by whom? 44 कौन represent कर सकता है? No 3 या no 5 या no 7? Which person can represent? Very good, Tapsi. 5 or 7. All right. Why? Because no 3 will always report a higher number. No 3 is skipping every third multiple. Therefore, no 3 will always report a higher number. Are you getting this point? Yes or no? So 44 is not a number that can be given by a no 3. क्या ये बात समझ आई? क्योंकि अगर 44 ही नो 3 दे रहा है तो 45 जो नो 5 होगा वो उससे कम आएगा, नो 7 और भी कम आएगा. Okay. So if reported, let's say reported by no 5, let us say this is reported by no 5. If this is reported by no 5, then what is the actual number in this case? 44 minus 44 by 5, 36. Perfect, perfect. Now, acha, if this was reported by no 7, if this was reported by no 7, then what will be the actual number in this case? 38. 38, perfect. 44 minus 44 by 7, that is approximately 6, so 38. All right. Now this number can either be no 3 or no 5. This number can either be no 3 or no 5, right? Now if I am taking this to be no 5, if I am taking this to be no 5, then this is no 3. All right. अगर मैं पहले वाला नंबर no 5 मान रहा हूं तो इसको no 3 मानना पड़ेगा, no 7 तो नहीं हो सकता. If this is no 3, then what is the answer? Then what is the actual number? 56 minus 56 by 3, that is 38. All right. In this case, the actual number is 38. In this case, the actual number is 38, which is okay, 38. All right. And what if it was by no 7? Then if it was reported by no 5, then what will be the actual number? 45. Which means this is not possible. This is not possible. What is the only possibility? What is the only possibility? Only possibility is 7 and 3. Very good. Only possibility is 7 and 3. Right? That 7, the 3 is reporting 38 and 7 is reporting 44. So that I am getting 38 in both the cases. So no 7 is reporting 44. No 3 is reporting 56. Actual number in both the cases is 38. Actual number in both the cases is 38. Is this clear? Yes or no? No 5 will not report 46. चलो लेट्स लीव इट लेयर. इक्वल कैसे किया आयुष बेटा, इसको समझो ना. 38 यहाँ पे भी इक्वल आया, 38 यहाँ पे भी इक्वल आया. See, I needed to find the value where I can get the actual number same, right? I took a case when no 5 was reported by, when 44 was reported by no 5, because 45 can be reported by no 5 or no 7. It cannot be reported by no 3. If no 5 was reporting, then the actual number was how much? 44 minus 8, 36. If no 7 was reporting, then the actual number was 38. Right? These are the two cases. When let's talk about 56. It can either be no 5 or no 7. When no 5 is reporting, 56 minus 11, 45. Right? When no 3 is reporting, 56 minus 18, 38. So number is 38 in both the cases. Right? So that is why this is the answer. Is it clear, everyone? All right. Chalo. Now, everyone, let's move to the verbal class. Right. Right. We are already running late. Ma'am is waiting. Right. Kiran, I will repeat. बच्चा सुनो. हमें ये जानना है ना कि एक्चुअल नंबर सेम आना चाहिए. अभी ये बात समझो कि जो 44 नंबर है ना, वो 44 नंबर अगर नो 5 रिपोर्ट करेगा तो एक्चुअल नंबर 36 होगा. ये मेरा एक केस है. 44 कोई भी रिपोर्ट कर सकता है. अगर नो 5 करेगा तो एक्चुअल नंबर 36 होगा. अगर 44 को नो 7 रिपोर्ट करेगा तो एक्चुअल नंबर 38 होगा. क्या ये बात समझ आती है किरण? यस और नो? अब जो 56 नंबर है, अब जो 56 नंबर है बेटा, 56 नंबर से चेक करो. 56 नंबर से अगर हम नो 5 को लगाएं, नो 5 से एक्चुअल नंबर क्या आ रहा है 45, लेकिन इन दोनों केसेस में कभी भी मेरे पास एक्चुअल नंबर 45 नहीं आया। दोनों केसेस में नंबर मेरा 45 रिपोर्ट होना चाहिए ना एक्चुअल, वो नहीं आ रहा। और इसी को अगर मैं नो 3 से मान लूं तो मेरा रिजल्ट 38 आ रहा है, विच मीन्स कि हाँ ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि 44 को अगर नो 7 ने किया हो तो भी 38 आएगा, और अगर 56 को नो 3 ने किया हो तो भी 38 आएगा। इन दोनों केसेस में मेरा एक्चुअल नंबर 38 आएगा। क्या ये बात समझ आती है? अब ये सोचो कि अगर आप रिपोर्ट कर रहे हो कि 46 इज द नंबर, 46 इज द नंबर रिपोर्टेड बाय थर्ड पर्सन यानी कि नो 5, उस केस में ओरिजिनल कितना होगा 46 माइनस 46 बाय 5 यानी 37, यानी हमारा असली नंबर तो 38 है। देन 46 माइनस 46 बाय 47, देखो 47 माइनस 47 बाय 5, उस केस में हमारा आंसर आया 38, यानी असली नंबर था 47 जो रिपोर्ट किया नो 5 ने। राइट, हमें ये हमेशा एक अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू देती है तो क्रॉस चेक करना पड़ेगा। ऑलराइट, so just in one more information everyone, we are going to start with new batch very soon. Just in case if anyone is interested, you can always get connected with me. Right, thank you so much guys, have a great day, bye bye.